as a sign of mutiny of Indian democracy. उस समय mutiny it was seen as a mutiny in the Indian democracy. In this you see the Indira Gandhi won, but here Morarji Desai is running. He's running. He's still running, but he didn't become first. But she became the winner of that. It took some time before new prime minister could settle down. While Indira Gandhi had been politically active for a very long, she had served as a minister under the Lal Bahadur Shastri only for a short period. वो short period के लिए उनकी गवर्नमेंट के अंदर थी as a information minister. Senior Congress leaders may have supported Indira Gandhi in the belief that her administration and political inexperiences would compel her to depend on them for support and guidance. मतलब वो सोचते थे कि she is incompetent, that's why she will ask us and means our strata will become a little high. That the prime minister is asking us for the administration of the country. Within years becoming prime minister, Indira Gandhi had to lead the party into a Lok Sabha elections. Around this time, the economic situation in the country had further deteriorated, adding to her problems. Faced with these difficulties, she set out to gain control over the party and demonstrate her leadership skills. It was the Bihar food shortage. Yeah, famine in Bihar. This is about her program. What to do? Her program. Okay, क्या मैं क्या गलत भी क्या बोलूं? Okay.
Minimize it.
Come. Fourth general election. Fourth general election 1967. The year 1967 considered a landmark year in Indian politics and electoral history. In the chapter 2, you read about the Congress party was dominant force throughout the country from 1952 onwards. This tends to undergo significant changes with the 67 elections. Means they changed. Means the party did not win the 1967 elections. Context of elections. In this year leading up the fourth general election, the country witnessed major changes. Two prime ministers had died in quick succession, and new prime minister who was being seen as a political novice. मतलब वो बहुत young, she was not that much experienced like her father or her father. I have no idea who is his father. I know it, but two prime ministers had died quickly in succession, and new prime minister was political novice and had been in office for less than a year. You will recall from the decision of the chapter 3 and in the provision section of this chapter that the period was fought with great economic crisis, resulting in successive failures of monsoon, widespread droughts. एक तो बंगाल में drought हुआ था और बिहार में. There was famine. That's why they told the big farmers to in that thing. The big farmers were most the beneficiaries in that. The most beneficiary states are UP, Haryana, Punjab. Wheat production was more than 10. Decline in agricultural production, serious food shortages, depletion of foreign exchange reserves, drop in industrial production and exports, combined with the sharp rise in military expenditure and the diversion of resources within the planning and economic development. मतलब I think mostly गया था मिलिट्री के ऊपर, सारे रिसोर्सेज मिलिट्री के ऊपर स्पेंड हुए. One of the first decision of Indira Gandhi government was to devaluate the Indian rupees. That was the main cause of her decline. She made 7 rupees to 5 rupees. She devaluated the money. In that time, US dollars or something at a constant rate. Then. One of the first decisions of Indira Gandhi government was to devaluate the Indian rupees under what was seen to be a pressure from the US. Early US dollars could be purchased for less than rupees 5. अब कितना हुआ है? 76. अब 76 rupees में you get $1. $10. Purchases less than ₹5 and devalued in its cost more than ₹7. The economic strategist triggered off prices rise. People started protesting against the increase of price essential commodities for security, growing unemployment, and the overall economic condition in the country. There were riots, there were distress between the people because of these things: commodities, food security, growing unemployment. That's why it was this. The bands and hartals were called frequently across the country. इतने बंद होते थे कि काउंट भी नहीं कर सकते. Bands. The government saw the protest as a law and order problem. They saw it as law and order problem. They were breaking some laws and orders. Law and order and problem, and not as expression of people's problems. This further increased the public bitterness and reinforced popular unrest. Unrest against the Congress increased the unrest against the Congress party. The communist and socialist parties launched struggles for greater equality. ये तो communist party थे और socialist party थे, they started doing their struggles against to getting greater equality. You will read in this next chapter how a group of communists who separated from the Communist Party of India, Marxist, and to form the Communist Party India, Marxist-Leninist, led arms agrarian struggle and organized peasant agitation. ये कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी और मार्क्सिस्ट को छोड़कर वो एक नया पार्टी बनाए जो मार्क्सिस्ट लेनिस्ट के नाम से जाना जाता है. लेड आर्म एजिटेशंस, कुछ वेपन्स लेकर दे स्टार्टेड एजिटेटिंग एंड ऑर्गेनाइजिंग पीसफुल agitation. This period also witnessed some worst Hindu-Muslim riots since independence. Agitation means fights. किसी के अंदर आग लगाना, कोई कल्पना के बारे में बोल रहा है, वो उधर और इधर आग लग रही है उसमें. Okay? Non-Congressism. The situation could not have remained isolated from party politics in the country. It could not be isolated. The opposition parties were in forefront of organizing public protest and pressurizing the government. जब एक गवर्नमेंट जैसे बीजेपी means they are in Delhi now. It means what is BJP is in the center, and 100% in a democracy they will have opposition parties to criticize them, and from them it's like a good political manship. It's like sportsmanship. They say we don't abuse when we play cricket, or we just, if anything bad happens we go and say sorry for that, like that. This shows that there is no mean politics going on. Then parties opposed the Congress realized that the division of their votes kept the Congress in power. What was the main motto of Congress? Garibi Hatao. No, not Congress. Sorry. Indira Gandhi. Sorry.
If it was Indira Gandhi's slogan, then it was obviously of the Congress, because she was the leader of the Congress. She was the head of the Congress. Garibi Hatao was the slogan given by Indira Gandhi, right?
Yes.
And Indira Gandhi belongs to which party?
But that time she was not there, no? She was not elected.
She was not on the chair.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, she was not the Prime Minister, but of course she was in Congress.
Yes.
She was the leader of the party.
Yes, ma'am.
Then this was the slogan of Congress only.
Their votes and Congress in power. The parties that were entirely different, disparate in their programs and ideologies together to the anti-Congress fronts. Means that time the Congress split happened. One is Congress R and one is Congress O. One is with the syndicate and one more is with Morarji Desai. Means they are requisitionist. Requisitionist. What is it, ma'am? Requisitionist. Requisitionist. Yes.
Yeah, requisitionist.
Requisitionist. The others parties entirely different from disparate to their programs and ideas.
Don't read each and every word. चलो फटाफट आगे चलो. हाँ.
I didn't read this yesterday. So I'm reading it and I'm explaining.
हाँ.
I was other chapter that is covered in this. Okay. Ideologies together, anti-Congress gun. They felt that the inexperience of Indira Gandhi. I told that. That's why Morarji Desai was first of all voted for prime ministership, because she didn't have the power to govern the country. But she became the prime minister because of the support of the syndicate. They thought that from Indira Gandhi's popularity, our popularity will grow. Means Indira Gandhi asked us before she does some work. It was written also clear that the people will get the support. Means that they will see that in the prime minister is asking their cabinets about what will be done in the what will be the administration of the country.
Go fast.
Yes, Congress. The socialist leader Ram Mohan Lohia gave this.
Ram Manohar Lohia. Not Mohan. Ram Manohar.
Manohar Lohia gave the strategy to the name of non-Congressism. Means after independence there was only Congress. They swept the first elections, second elections, but not the third. They wanted to bring some other governments to power, because this is showing that they will be this much confident that they would not even need to campaign and get the votes. They have created a vote bank. They created a vote bank. Congress ruled undemocratic, opposed to the interest of ordinary poor people. Therefore, the coming together of non-Congress parties was necessary for reclaiming democracy for the people. It was necessary for other parties to come, because that time some parties got 16 seats. Communist Party got 16 seats, but they swept. Congress swept those people. That's why they needed a new party to come and to टक्कर देने के लिए कोई आना चाहिए. Election verdict.
Electoral verdict.
Electoral verdict.
What is that?
What was the verdict of from the electorate people? What was the verdict?
What was the verdict of the voters? Electoral verdict means what they decided to do.
Yes, ma'am. It was in the context of heightened popular discontent and the polarization of political forces. At the 4th general election of Lok Sabha, the state assembly held in February 1967, the Congress was facing electorate for the first time without Nehru. Means in this election, in the 1967 election, they were first time facing without Nehru. They didn't have a great backup. Means they had Indira Gandhi, they had people, but not that much strong like Nehru was. Then the results jolted the Congress at both the national and state level. This affected the state level seats and the national level seats. The many contemporary political observers described the election result as political earthquake.
Do it fast.
Yes, ma'am. मतलब वो जो verdict मिला था उस समय, that shake shook the whole country. That's why it's called a political earthquake. The Congress did message to get the majority in the Lok Sabha, but with this lowest tally of seats in the share of votes since 1952. Half ministers in Indira Gandhi cabinet were defeated. The political stalwarts who lost in their, what is stalwarts now?
Big guns, those who were having the, कहते हैं जिनका ऊंचा कद था. Okay, those who were very great leaders, very known leaders also lost the election.
Lost their constituents, including Kamaraj in Tamil Nadu, S.K. Patel in Maharashtra, Atul Ghosh
Patel in
Maharashtra, Atul Ghosh in West Bengal, K.V. Shah in Bihar.
Saha ki Sahani? Sahai.
This was the condition of votes, means votes, the assembly of election results of the orange, what you can say, which color?
Yes, fast.
Okay. The demarcated nature of
next point.
Coalition.
Coalitions. This was the time when coalition governments came into existence. Yeah. Coalition government क्या होती है?
When there is no party to
when there is no clear majority, then different parties join together. they join hands together and they form the government. That is known as coalition government. In a government where there are so many parties are participating. Right? Chalo aage.
Defection. Defection means when a person, when a party, when a political leader is in one party but his favor is for another party. This is anti-defection. There was a law passed of anti-defection in.
इसको क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में? दल बदलना. ठीक है. तो लोग पता क्या करते थे? सपोज पता चला कि इलेक्शन का कैंपेन चल रहा है और पता चला कि भाई कांग्रेस जीतने वाली है, तो दल बदलू लोग क्या करते थे? झट से रुख देख करके और पार्टी बदल लेते थे. राइट? दैट इज नोन एज डिफेक्शन. फिर एंटी डिफेक्शन बिल पास हुआ कि नहीं अचानक, लेकिन किसी का मन है तो वो चेंज करेगा पार्टी, तो उसको रोक नहीं सकते हैं.
Then there was a split in Congress in 1967 election. There was two. One is Congress, Indira Gandhi versus Indira Gandhi and the syndicate, and one more was
presidential election.
No, there was two parties. One is Congress R and Congress O.
प्रेसिडेंशियल इलेक्शंस, वो इम्पोर्टेंट था. हाँ, थोड़ा जूम करो. चलो.
The real challenge of Indira Gandhi came not from the opposition but within it. From that time, the Congress started getting divided. Their ideologies differed. After that, non-Congressism started. Means no Congress party more. That started. Next. I think the blue box is important. From this you can know what is the Congress syndicate. Syndicate was an informal name given to the group of Congress leaders who were controlling the party's order.
They will read on their own. Okay. चलो आगे.
Party elections in 1965. Presidential elections in 1969.
ये इम्पोर्टेंट है, जल्दी से कर लो.
The fictional division between the syndicate and
मैं आ रही हूँ ऊपर से अभी.
Indira Gandhi came to open in 1960.
ये जल्दी करवाओ. अब क्या शीतल, फटाफट करवाओ इसको. हाँ, जल्दी करो.
The following president of Zakir Hussain's death, the post president of India fell vacant that year. Despite of Indira Gandhi's intervention, the syndicate managed to nominate her long-time opponent and then Speaker of Lok Sabha N. Sanjeevna Reddy as the official Congress candidate for.
Yes. Explain this one.
Okay, ma'am. In this thing, they
Nothing. This is cartoon.
in this cartoon is depicting that Indira Gandhi what is his name? In this cartoon, it is depicted that Indira Gandhi's candidate was V.V. Giri and the other party was who was his name?
Zakir Hussain.
Not that. Who is the other candidate? Who is No, Giri is here. And who is this person?
Congress Moraji Desai.
Moraji Desai, who fell down in the.
अरे ये वो है. निरंजन अप्पा क्या है?
हाँ वही तो. निरंजन अप्पा fell down in this. It's showing that this is showing the Indira Gandhi's power. This cartoon is showing her power. It's written here. The left hook was published after the victory of V.V. Giri, the boxer with the Garland over the nominees of the syndicate, representing here by Nilanjan Appa on his knees. Means ये Nilanjan Appa knees के ऊपर है और ये V.V. Giri है जो जीत गए हैं. Next. Abolition of private
ये सबसे बड़े. The 1971 election and restoration of Congress.
Okay.
ये.
One is the contestation. Means कैसे वो Congress. No, what is it? 1971 election and restoration of Congress. कैसे in 1971 Congress restore हुआ. There was first of all a split. Congress O and Congress R. इतना बार बोल रहा हूँ. ठीक है. The contestation. मैं इतना पढ़ता हूँ तो उसके बाद आप पढ़ लेना. the electoral contest appeared to be
loaded against Congress are. After all, the new Congress was just one faction of an already weak party. Everyone believed that the real organizational strength of the Congress party was under the command of Congress O. To make matters worse for Indira Gandhi, all the major non-communist, non-Congress opposition parties formed an electoral alliances known as Grand Alliances. Explain. There was a great Grand Alliance जो जितने भी parties इंदिरा गांधी के against थी, because कांग्रेस split हो गई थी, इसलिए हम ये नहीं बोल सकते कि कांग्रेस, पर जो भी पार्टी इंदिरा गांधी के against थी, जैसे कांग्रेस O हो गई, उसके बाद बहुत सी छोटी-छोटी पार्टीज थी, तो उन सब ने मिलकर एक अलायंस बनाया जिसको नाम दिया गया ग्रैंड अलायंस, ताकि इंदिरा गांधी एकदम वीक हो जाए, अकेली हो जाए और पार्टी उसकी डूब जाए.
Outcomes and after.
The result of Lok Sabha election of 1971 were as dramatic as the decision to be hold these elections. The Congress R CPI alliances won more seats and votes than Congress and were won in the first four general elections. The combined 175 seats in Lok Sabha and secured 48.4% of votes. Indira Gandhi Congress R won 352 seats with about 44% of popular votes on its own. Contrast with this, the performance of Congress O, the party with so many stalwarts, could get less than 1/4 of the votes secured by Indira Gandhi's party and win merely 16 seats. With this, Congress party led by Indira Gandhi established its claim to be real. Congress had restored to its dominant position in Indian politics. The Grand Alliance of opposition proved a grand failure. Their combined tally of votes were less than 40.
In this cartoon, we are getting to see that the first position is also Indira Gandhi, second position is also Indira Gandhi. Means she is dominating the Indian politics in this, and these are the opposition parties who wouldn't even have any chance against the Congress in this.
It also depicts the Indira Gandhi's Congress party that it was strong, but together with that it was weak and outlaws. Restoration.
In this cartoon, Indira Gandhi is trying to say that she's manipulating and trying to put the MPs everywhere. That time there was Congress dominance, that's why she's trying to.
She's choosing chief minister of every state.
This minister in state, chief minister, yeah. वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ. This cartoon is trying to say that she's picking out every chief minister for every state. In this, they are trying to say. Then restoration. You will read this.
But does it mean